So here are most of the parts of the interior, guys. So I'm ready to unpack them. So let's go.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. I would like to thank you for all your love and support on our previous video. And if you like what we're doing, please make sure you hit the like, subscribe and comment in the section down below. Today we got some parts from all over the world. I think Australia is here, a part as well from Germany, from where? Italy?
England.
Oh, and England, yeah, of course. So, shall we walk by and open the package? So here are most of the parts of the interior, guys. So I'm ready to unpack them. So let's go. Okay guys, so this is the first package. It looks like a panel of some sort. Let's check. Okay. This is some sort of panel, I think it's for the rear. And then going up, and then some leather trim should be here. Then here's the second package, guys. Oh, it looks like Christmas. This is the top piece, I think, in beautiful blue leather, just like our interior. Also some sort of trim. I think this is for the compartment at your feet, you know, the lid that was missing for the front side. This looks like some leather trim as well. Maybe this part needs to go here. Okay guys, and the last two pieces. And this is for in the back, guys. You know where the spare tire is supposed to be? A nice cover. So we can leave our nice bags on it. And then the last weird item that got stolen. The air vent. So these are all the pieces that we're going to install today. Unfortunately, there are still some parts where I am unable to find them. That is the radio in the center console. The piece is still missing. I cannot find it anywhere. So please guys, if you are around and you have a Maserati part shop or whatsoever, please check for me if you have the radio front, because I will be happy to buy it from you guys. So now it's time to install the parts. Okay, we're now in the back of the car, and as you can see, it's very spacious. Okay guys, one thing that we didn't find out, that was part of the alarm that has been disabled for somehow. We know that there needs to be a device here, but then also the keys and everything need to be changed. So if you're a handyman, if you know everything about Maserati, please contact us guys, because we need to figure out how we can get the alarm working again on this car. But for now, we will just put this back and put all the interior trim nice back in the position. And if we find out how we're going to deal with the alarm, then we will take it apart again and install the alarm. But for now, we need to check the interior trim. If we go to the other side, gray trim needs to go down, and then the blue trim comes on top. We still need to check what part goes in first, but I think first we need to install the gray trim and then the blue trim. So let's go. so the first piece is in. Now let's install the bigger piece, the blue piece. So now it's time to install the air vent. So let's give it a try. And that was quite easy actually, just plug and play. Okay guys, it's time to get this Maserati out of here and show you guys all the progress we made so far. So let's go! Okay, that was it for today's video. If you like our videos, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. Guys, I want to do one more request before we shut down this video. If you have any knowledge of the alarm, please contact us through email or in the comments down below. And if you know anything about the radio of this Maserati, please contact us as well. Bye!